Hey divas, welcome back. Now I'm about to do my weekly laundry routine, so I went ahead, took the clothes from upstairs downstairs. My laundry room is downstairs and I have quite a lot to do because I did the laundry last week. I don't remember when. I think one day in the week last week, so I have a week and a half worth of clothes to do, and mainly the clothes that I have to do is for me and the girls. Today is day one of me officially solo parenting for a month. My husband is gone on work business. I am here alone with the girls, so let's go. The first thing I love to do when I'm doing my laundry is sorting the clothes. So I like to go ahead sort the girls clothes separate from mine and my husband. I think I have a few to do for my husband because his laundry was done before he left yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead sort the girls clothes in lights and darks, and I always do all the whites together, and then I'll separate mines in lights and darks, or colors and darks. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's go. These are the baskets that I have with the clothes, and I'm just gonna go ahead real quick and separate them. While I'm here sorting through the laundry, I hope this video gives you some motivation to get up, find something to do around the house, do the laundry, the dishes, clean the house, or you can just sit back, relax with a glass of wine on the couch and enjoy this video. Now this is what I'm working with. Those are the girls' clothes, so they're colors and darks. And those are mine, colors and darks. Those are the little bit of whites, and I also have some towels. These are the towels. Now it's time for me to go ahead and start with my first load, which is the girls' colors, the whites. I am done with the first load, so now I'm going to go ahead and transfer them from the washer to the dryer and start on my second load. Now that my first load is done drying, I'm gonna go ahead, take them out and put my second load in the dryer and start on my third load. Now my strategy, especially whenever I'm doing my weekly laundry routine, I like to go ahead, wash, fold and repeat. So as soon as I take one load out the dryer, I'm gonna go ahead and fold. Go sit down. Now this is my first set of clothes that I folded. So when I do the girls' clothes, whenever I fold them, I like to separate Adriana's clothes from Abriana's, and then each clothes I'll separate Adriana's pajamas, our tops, bottoms, but our tops, bottoms, underwears. But the thing is, whatever is gonna go in the closet, they go together because they share the same closet. This is it. This is the first set. This is laundry 1 and 2, laundry load 1 and 2. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, bring them up, and being that they're already in their respectful place, whenever I take them upstairs, it's so easy to put away. Slap. Shoes. I'm gonna just go ahead and fold every other load. So I'm waiting on that load before I start folding the load that I just took out. Right now I'm gonna go ahead, while I'm doing that load, I'm gonna go ahead and mop the floors. So I already straightened up the living room, kitchen and dining room area, so I'm gonna go ahead, mop those areas, and yep. Leave it. Hey, hey. This is all that I just folded out. Those are going to be hanged in the closet. These are going to be put away, and in that are my underwears, bras, and socks. Hey divas, I am done for tonight. So I still have the bathroom mats, kitchen mats, and the whites to do. So tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead, finish that up. I'm gonna just head upstairs, take a shower, and we're going to bed. This concludes the end of this week's vlog. So please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.